Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate to you Dejavu, an application that keeps track of the changes that you make to your file system, PowerPoint or documents or even your source code. If you have it installed, first you need to set up a library. You can install as many libraries as you want. Go to Control Panel and you give Time Machine. This library setup comes. You launch it and you say Create New Dejavu Library. The application asks for a destination folder where you want to create the library. You give say my library is the folder name that I choose to create, and then I say select folder, and then I do create repository, and the repository is created. Initially it's an empty one. As you can see, it is installed as a Windows 7 library so that you can always easily access it. I go here and I create a folder, some dummy folder and a couple of files. And this is going to be my initial check-in into this library. I just add some contents and I save it. Normally I would come to this repository through Explorer. So as you can see here, it's a special folder which is a namespace extension which has got custom properties and a couple of attributes that are specific to this kind of folders. If I go inside, as you can see, it's a different view with some additional command buttons, which are Explorer commands that are installed by this application. So I have these files. Now I'm going to add them to my history, add them to my library so that I can keep track. And once it is tracked, I can see the history of the library. What you see on the right side are the revisions and the dates during which the versions have been. So I just see the initial revision. So I just close everything and I keep on adding to this library. And 2 weeks later, there are a lot of files and folders added, and I again go back. When I go back to the library, I see it is richer than earlier. I see all the new files that are there. In addition, I see all the revisions of this library that are there. So as you can see, as I choose different versions, the application shows me the system at that point of time. So it's like I'm traveling back and forth in time. In the calendar control, I can choose the dates. It shows the revisions for those dates. And again, I can see the different versions of the library. I can even sync with a remote server. Those are the features. So as you see, it uses the Dejavu uses Windows 7 API for library and very good shell integration, which gives a seamless experience and a safeguard